Good morning, dear students. Next chapter we will study is chapter 5, list tables and images in HTML5. Before starting this chapter, you have to learn what is HTML and how to write HTML code, because you have not studied anything about HTML in previous classes. So I want to give some introduction about HTML, and we will discuss what is HTML, how to write an HTML program and how to view it. Now let us start. In our daily life, we search information by using internet. Internet is a vast collection of data and information. The entire data on internet is connected to each other through World Wide Web, that is WWW. Have you ever wondered how these websites are created and loaded with data and information? Every website is a collection of many web pages which are developed and linked to each other using a markup language. The most commonly used markup language is HTML, and it stands for Hypertext Markup Language. A web page is a document created using Hypertext Markup Language and can be accessed through a web browser. Next we will study about the structure of an HTML document. The basic structure of an HTML document is made up of contents and markup. The content is information to be displayed includes heading, text, tables, list, pictures, audio, video, etc. The markup is the information inserted in the code with the help of tags that controls the appearance of the content. Commands in the HTML are called tags. HTML codes are written in any plain text editor like a notepad. One thing should remember you that the HTML code written must be saved with the .html extension. The page so created can be viewed by using web browser. Next, tags of HTML. Next we will discuss about tags. HTML commands are known as tags and are written as within the angular brackets, that is within the less than sign and greater than sign, and its syntax is opening angular bracket, that is less than sign, tag, and closing angular bracket, that is greater than sign. Most HTML tags exist is in pair, that is start tag and end tag. Start tag enclosed with in less than and greater than signs, whereas end tag comprises of forward slash followed by tag name and enclosed with in less than and greater than signs. The basic structure of an HTML document must include the following tags. First, opening HTML tag, that is means HTML written within the less than sign and greater than sign. Next, head tag. Next one, title tag. Here after title tag we write the title of the program. Next, closing the head tag. Next, body tag. Here the content of the page has to be written, then close the body tag and close HTML. Here all HTML codes are written within opening HTML and closing HTML tag. It has two sections, header tag and body tag. Head tag enables the document header but contains no text in itself. It contains title tag. Title tag is a container tag, is written inside the head tag and closed before closing head tag. It gives the title of the web page to be displayed on the title bar. Next one is body tag and it appears just after the head tag. It is a container tag which includes all the text, images and the formatting elements with their attributes to prepare the web page. Next, creating an HTML document. Students, for creating an HTML document, we can use any text editor. Here we will be using Notepad. First of all, to start writing on Notepad, for that go to Start, All Programs, Accessories and Notepad. Then the Notepad window will appear on the screen. Then type the HTML code in the Notepad. After writing complete code, select Save As option from the File menu and give a name with the .html extension. Now you created a HTML document. To view your web page, you can click on Start button, then go to Windows Explorer and type or select your file name which you have already created. Then select Open and click on it. The web page will display. Example. First, tags have some additional information inside them called attributes, and it is given in double quotes. First one, B tag. B tag is used to show the content within this tag is bold form, and I tag is used to display the content in italics, and U tag is used to underline the text. Background color is used to set the background of the page by using any image file, and BG color sets the background color of the web page. We can explain it with one example. Write on HTML code to display the heading as my first web page, and at the body content as welcome to my web page, and set its attributes bold and underline it. For that, the HTML code is HTML, opening HTML tag, opening head tag, opening title tag, my first web page, then close the title tag, also close the head tag. Then open body tag, BG color is equal to green, and next one, opening font color is equal to red. Then write welcome to my web page. Then close the font tag and body tag, also close the HTML tag. To view, go to Windows Explorer and give the file name. I am sending videos of 2 HTML programs for your understanding. Students, today we have discussed about an introduction of HTML. I hope you have understood it. Next class we will start our HTML chapter from our book. Thank you.